Welcome to Lowcountry Good. We are sitting here at the clubhouse right by the pool. The villa's at the Bayshore on Hilton Head Island with Kim Perna, who's a community relations counselor, and Melissa Hallbeck, who is the director of sales and marketing. And we're talking about maintenance-free living, where you just write one check. It's all taken care of, right?
Yes,
One
check.
Yes.
And you don't have to worry, there's no unexpected expenses. So we've covered a lot of topics on the show, and we thought this was worth revisiting.
Yes.
Because people will say to us sometimes, well, why would I leave my home and come into a villa, for example? Well, there's many reasons, and one of those, everything is taken care of. So you can enjoy the things you want to do in life versus worrying about the yard or the housekeeping, or something breaks, or like you had said, you unexpected home repairs.
Yes, having to put a new roof on or new driveway. Right.
Yeah, so we handle that
it's all
for
taken
you.
care of. And actually, this is a pretty good time. We're middle of October. Kind of a good time to move, right?
Absolutely.
And it's because of the activities and meeting people?
There's a lot going on from now to the end of the year. Really good time to get acclimated into the community and meet your neighbors with all the fun things that we have planned. You know, and it just really takes, once you get here, we're doing everything else for you. I mean, you don't even have to cook if you don't want to. You know, we have big festive holiday meals. You can come, you can bring your families. So let us take the work off of you and let us do what we do for you.
And usually at this time of your life, that's what you want.
Yes.
You don't want to have to cook every night. You don't want all of those decisions that you have to make. And then, as you said, the extra expenses. So it's a win-win. It's a best of both worlds because you've got the villas here. And then right across the street, you have the apartments. And you're right on the coastal waterway. So beautiful.
And we do that at the apartments and the villas.
Yes.
The same thing. Everything's taken care of.
Yep, very good.
Yep.
Thank you, Melissa.
Thank you.
Kim. And that's it for this edition of Lowcountry Good.